Hello students, now we are going to discuss soft skill from second lesson, self-confidence. The second lesson name is Work Brings Solace, written by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and from this lesson we have a soft skill, self-confidence. Okay, self-confidence means having belief on you. Having a positive personality brings us success both socially and professionally. So for us, we first of all we have to be positive in every thinking. We have to think positively in every aspects of our life. It brings both success socially and professionally. So some some personal natures related to this personality can be developed with some efforts like positive attitude, enthusiasm for work, singular focus, ethical approach, self-discipline and persistence. These all are the traits related to gain personality, means positive personality. So here persistence means continuing. Continuing means what? If you have started a work, we have to continue it till to the end. In the middle we should not stop it. Okay. So for example, a lazy person can become active or a late person can become punctual when if they really wish to change their ways. If he not wish to change his way, he cannot become a positive minded person. So next, self-confidence. Next, self-confidence means what? Having a positive attitude, also managing time very well. So self-confidence means what? Having a positive attitude and also managing time very well. So in our day-to-day life, every person is handling so many challenges to get on in his life. This may lead to disturb his self-confidence. And by always being positive and optimistic in life, our personality can become positive. So for improving our positive thinking, we can read positive affirmations, positive visualization, meet and talk with positive people, read and think positively with positive mental food means healthy food, and undertake positive training and development and healthy habits, yoga, meditation, and having positive expectations. This all improve our positive attitude and develop a healthy personality, and we can behave balancefully. Okay, now so positive development should be conscious and continuous hard work of a person throughout their life. So our personality development should be throughout our life. To this, we have to read widely and listen to many viewpoints of one's interest. So we can read biographies and autobiographies of noteworthy people which are the source of motivation and inspiration. By this we can improve communication skills also, and whatever we are reading we have to discuss with others and analyze. By that we can analyze what is good, what is bad, and we can think deeply what is going. Okay, so by this we can improve our communication skills also, and to be a good conversationalist and to learn to express your opinions clearly. So when we are discussing all these matters with others, whatever we are reading and whatever we are observing, by this we can improve our communication skills, and also we can become a good conversationalist also. So having a positive outlook and optimistic attitude and be friendly. So we have to create a positive outlook and optimistic attitude. Here what is optimistic means confident or hopeful. So we have to be hopeful on our life first of all, and we have to be confident on our life, and we have to express our opinions clearly. So having a positive outlook and optimistic attitude and be friendly. So by creating a positive attitude and a positive outlook and optimistic attitude and be friendly, we can develop our personality very easily. And so be helpful others and derive satisfaction by serving others selflessly. So always be first to help others and derive satisfaction, means self satisfaction will be there if you helpful to others, and include fun and mirth in life, means be happy and always make others happy, and develop important values like sincerity, hard work, commitment to whatever you are doing. Okay, be sincere, whatever the work you are doing, be sincere and maintain commitment till, and maintain hard work and commitment, and try to understand what you are from within and always project your true self, and don't motivate on good one, and so please motivate on good habits and understand from which level you came from. Okay, from which level you came to this position, and always project your true self. Next, for all these aspects, means having a positive personality, self confidence, for all others, for all these, main thing is character. Okay, character means what? It is the combination of all qualities which are involved in ourselves. So here character is a combination of qualities which distinguishes from one individual to another. So in our society each person has different type of character, and they will behave in a different way in different situations. The concept of character includes person's attributes, abilities, behavior, moral or ethical discipline, and also absence or presence of qualities like sympathy, honesty, commitment, loyalty, etc. So what are the characters includes? Character includes a person's attributes, abilities, behavior, how they are behaving at home, in the society, all that, honesty, commitment, loyalty. Okay, and in some persons there will be absence or presence of qualities like sympathy, honesty, commitment, loyalty, etc. So here each individual possesses a unique set of these parameters contributing to their character. So every person has unique set of these parameters, means all the qualities I said before, no, these will be differ from one person to another person. They will not be same to the two persons, whether they twins also, they will not be in same type. So these characters will differ from one person to another person. So for us, for at last, success in various aspects, whether professional or personal, mainly was influenced by character. Without character, we cannot get success in professionally or personally. This is about self-confidence.